Hi and welcome back to my channel. Now remember the last Globleland tutorial I did and we made these beauties with the die set? Well, today I'm going to use this stamp set and this stamp set and put these beautiful fans on a journal page. So let's get started. Alright, got this gorgeous background stamp. It is huge. It is absolutely huge and I'm super keen to have a go at this. So I'll just pull that out. It's a huge stamp. It's A4 size and it's separated. Like you can pull all these off separately, but I'm going to keep them all on there, and that's going to I'm just going to use it as a big background, I think. I mean, if I really want to, I can pull it off, but hey, why not just leave it on there and use it as a nice huge background. So I'm just conditioning my stamp like you've seen me do, just to get off anything from manufacturing, so that your ink sticks really well to the stamp. Alright, so I'm just going to use some oxide ink on this one and ink it up. I don't want the whole page. I'm just wanting probably an A5 size. I'm going to use the pink on here, so I need to go up a little bit higher. Can I do it? Okay, I'm just laying that down and using my little stamp baron. Beautiful, beautiful. Look how that came out. Love it. Right, let's put that aside and I'll clean that up shortly. Right, so I've got these two pages. They are going to be a page in a journal. And just for something different, I've changed up the colours here. So I also went ahead earlier and did some, what do you call it? Some embossing. I want a piece of scrap paper too. So I've got this one that I embossed and then just added some colour to it. I want to stick that there. I've also got a piece of paper out of my dictionary, and I found a little bag, a little glassine bag, and I've got this lady on a little journal card, and I thought, oh, she would look cute in this glassine bag. So what I want to do is I'll get the cream fan and we'll just sit this, just put it together. So alright, I'm just going to glue stick this down. I'm just going to put that there on my page. Beautiful. And then I want to make this a pocket, so I'm going to Always end up losing that pin. So I'm just going to glue this only on the bottom and part side. Don't want that glued all the way around. So that's going to be there on my page. And then we'll put this lady on. Okay, she's another little pocket. What else have I got? I've got a little butterfly here. Thinking of putting a little butterfly on there with maybe some little bit of, I don't know, scrap lace. I'll stick that in the corner. And then I've got this beautiful fan. So we're going to just put glue on this back one. Try not to get it on, go through onto the other pieces. Because I want to just anchor only the back one. Now when I pull that, it's going to come out like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? And then you can just push it back up. And that's the little handle, but it's fairly see-through, so that's one. And then I want to use this stamp set and make some little journal cards. Alright, we'll take the back off that. Where'd my rubber go? Give that a little clean off. Alright, now what colour? I might use some cream coloured card. Where did I put it? Over here. I've got my stamp set here, my stamp block. And we might do some black. Need some black stamping. This is just a memento. We'll see how it comes out. Beautiful. Look how crisp and beautiful that is. Love it. Do another one. Beautiful. That's come up so nice. So I'll just stamp off, change it up. Let's get the little grid one out, that'll look nice too. Very fine stamp, which is just awesome, and it keeps its fine structure when you stamp. Doesn't push down and bleed out. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we'll do one more. One of this one with the little dots on it. We'll see how that comes out. Nice. Alright, I'm very happy with those stamps. So I've just stamped these off. I'm going to cut them out for our page. Now I have some more Globleland stamps here that I bought in the past. I'll try and get the code to this one because it really matches in with what I'm doing. This isn't one of the products that I actually am showcasing, but it is from Globleland, and I thought I would put that. Where did my... I thought I would put that on these blank little journal cards. Not all of them, but just something, a little accent. So I'll put this one back, and maybe we could just like get a little flower or something like that. And maybe just stamp on it like that, because it really lends itself to these little blank cards, to putting your own little accents on it. That's why I got them, because I wanted to add my own little accent to it, to the little journal card, and then I could make it whatever theme that I had, to match the what I'm making. So that was my thought behind that. I've got these other ones over here too. I might add a little flower. And maybe just like a little corner flourish or something like that. Yeah, I like that. So that could, it's a very handy set to have, this blank one. because you can do this. You can alter them and make them, you know, just fit in with whatever whatever topic you're doing. Let's put this cute little dragonfly on one. Nice, I like all them. So that's set. I'll put back in my stash. That's it there. That was from my last order from Globleland. So these ones, yeah. So they're just going to come in so handy for something like that, to just add my own little bits and pieces to. So I'm going to now just give that a bit of inking. And I've got all these beautiful little journal cards. So I'm going to put some in with this lady. I'll put some in this pocket. Maybe one up that way and one up that way, so you can see that they're in there. And then I'll put some in with this lady as well. Come out that way. Okay, and then that's going to be a page in my journal. Hide the lady and then put it back up again. Okay, so then when I flip that over, I'm going to go ahead and make a pink one on this page. So I'll have one either, like, you know, there'll be two in the journal, but they'll be separated apart. And I'll do the similar thing here where I glue that down and it opens and shuts like that as well. So I hope you've enjoyed that little tutorial today. It's not hard to do, but it leaves a big impact. I love that. I actually want to tear. I want to tear this. I don't like the straightness of it. That's better. You know, I like it. Right. So that's my page, using the products from Globleland, the huge big, I'll get it back down, hasn't been cleaned yet, the huge big background stamp, but it's just gorgeous. It's got all these receipts and ledger stuff, you know. This one says it's a butcher. What does this one say? Southern Railway dining car. Can't read that one. I'm not good at reading like fancy script, but yeah, but they're beautiful. Really happy with that. Happy to leave it like that, or you could pull them off separately. But those are the products that I was showcasing today for Globleland. And so there's this set and that set, and I will have the links below to each of them. And plus I'll try and dig out the link for this one too, the product code. Yeah, have a look at that. Have a look at the dies as well. All those links will be below, and up on the screen will be my coupon code, Velita10. So when you go to checkout with your products, make sure you go through my links and you put Velita10 into the cart as a coupon. You will get 10% off your products. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today using Globleland's products. Thank you, Globleland, for allowing me to do this, and I will catch you real soon for a new video. Bye!